You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting expressions and vocabulary related to Halloween, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Trek, or treat, so you have a short E sound to trek, or treat. Treat is a long E sound, generally said rather quickly. You don't even pronounce the O very well, you say just an O. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Trick or treat is how you usually say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.